On to another important story from the court corner. The Bombay High Court today said that the German car maker Volkswagen's defense in the $1.4 billion tax notice case did have some logic to taxman's claims. Volkswagen told the court that it has been targeted with potentially a 24,000 crore tax bill only because it happens to be an MNC. Ashmit Kumar gets us more on that.
Well, a tough day in court for Volkswagen, facing a $1.4 billion tax notice at the hands of the Customs Authority. Customs arguing that Volkswagen should be paying a duty of 30 to 35% for importing the entire car in the CKD format. However, Volkswagen is adopting the practice, that's as per the Customs claims, is adopting the practice of importing individual parts and then claiming a lower tax outgo of 5 to 15%. The Bombay High Court today observed that there does appear to be some merit behind what the tax department is arguing. The Bombay High Court questioning Volkswagen if it can be called a colorable device for tax avoidance if Volkswagen is importing parts only to claim a lower duty. In fact, the Bombay High Court went on to question that if importing the entire car in individual formats to claim a lower tax duty is something that can amount to circumventing the CKD regime. In fact, the Bombay High Court said that if this is a practice which is followed and adopted by all players within the market, the entire purpose, the whole point of having a CKD duty will be defeated, as cars will then be incentivized, manufacturers will then be incentivized to import individual parts. They claim that lower outgo of 5 to 15%. Now, Volkswagen sought to defend its position by arguing that the department is acting with a 12-year delay. This issue goes back to 2011. They've not been acting so far, that they had clarity from the Revenue Secretary. Also went on to say that this will reflect very poorly on India. In fact, calling it at one stage a retroactive tax demand. That's what Volkswagen is going with. Importantly, the arguments are not done. They will continue tomorrow before the Bombay High Court.
All right.